What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's item is the new Kuryakyn Tracer LED fairing low grills. We're about to install these puppies. They just came in today. Really bright. We'll do the unpacking and then we'll get it going. So let me show you what we got here. They have this in black and they have this in chrome. I chose black because it's mostly the inside of this is more black. Also, you got yourself some wiring, some cables, and some zip locks and stuff like that. So, if you're trying to order this, it's gonna be a while. I mean, I did wait about 3 to 4 weeks to be back in stock, but it's finally here. Amazing. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of install it through the back here past the wiring, and then cut it out to the other side. What you're gonna do is stretch out the back nice and easy. Don't yank on it too much, and then just even it out. That's about it. There you go. Okay, in order to install this, you need to take out the signal lights right from the top, and we're gonna bridge that wire into the connectors for the tracers. See that? Alright guys, we are back here, nighttime view of the bike, and focus on the floor, guys. Here we go. Tracer LEDs by Kuryakyn. Makes a big difference, but there you go, guys. Kuryakyn makes these real nice lights. Look at that. All right, they're about $245, I think, around there, and they're on back order through Kuryakyn, so you could actually order them on eBay or Amazon or through the JP Cycles, something like that. But there you go. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Subscribe, like, and tune in when we go riding. I'm working on getting a GoPro, guys. That's why I'm not really doing any recent videos. So, all right, talk to you soon. Short video. Peace.